Good day everyone, I am Jamie H. Lamarca from the BS Ed Mathematics 3. So today I am here to discuss the school curriculum, definition, nature, and scope. So what are the desired learning outcomes of this topic? First, define curriculum from different perspectives and define the nature and scope of curriculum.
What is curriculum? Oftentimes, curriculum is taken in its narrow view as a listing of objects to be taught in schools, or sometimes it is understood broadly as all learning experiences that individuals undergo while in school. Curriculum should be clarified by teachers and other stakeholders. Curriculum affects all teachers, students, parents, politicians, businessmen, professionals, government, or even the common people. Like many concepts in education, there seems to be no common definition of curriculum. Because of this, the concept of curriculum is sometimes characterized as fragmentary, elusive, and confusing. However, the word originates from the Latin word currere, referring to the oval track upon which Roman chariots raced. The New International Dictionary defines curriculum as the whole body of a course in an educational institution or by a department, while the Oxford English Dictionary defines curriculum as courses taught in schools or universities. Curriculum means different things to different people. Sometimes educators equate curriculum with the syllabus, while a few regard it as the teaching learning experiences which the student encounters while in school. Numerous definitions indicate dynamism, which connotes diverse interpretation as influenced by modes of thoughts, pedagogies, philosophies, political, as well as cultural perspectives. Let us now move on to some definition of curriculum according to different researchers. According to Daniel Tanner, 1980, curriculum is a plan and guidance set of learning experiences and intended outcomes formulated through the systematic reconstruction of knowledge and experiences and intended outcomes formulated through the systematic reconstruction of knowledge and experiences under the auspices of the school for the learner's continuous and willful growth in personal social competence. While according to Pratt 1980, curriculum is written document that systematically describe goals, planned, objectives, content learning, activities, evaluation procedures, and so forth. And according to Schubert 1987, curriculum is contents of a subject, concept, and task to be acquired, planned activities, the desired learning outcomes and experiences, product of culture, and an agenda to reform society make up a curriculum. According to Haas 1987, a curriculum includes all of the experiences that individual learners have in a program of education whose purpose is to achieve broad goals and related specific objectives, which is planned in terms of a framework of theory and research for past and present professional practice. While according to Grandi, 1987, curriculum is program of activities by teachers and pupils designed so that pupils will attain so far as possible certain educational and other schooling ends or objectives. And according to Goodland and Su, 1992, curriculum is a plan that consists of learning opportunities for a specific time frame and place, a tool that aims to bring about behavior changes in students as a result of planned activities, and includes all learning experiences received by students with the guidance of the school. And lastly, according to Cranbeth 1992, curriculum provides answers to 3 questions. Number 1. What knowledge, skills, and values are most worthwhile? Number 2. Why are they most worthwhile? And number 3. How should the young acquire them? Let us now move to curriculum from traditional points of view. So the traditional definition of curriculum is that if the word curriculum is defined as a written document or a plan of action to accomplish goals, a body of subjects or subject matter prepared by teachers in order for the students to learn, a course of study, syllabus, lesson plan, or a field of study, then these definitions come from the traditional point of view. The traditional points of view of curriculum were advanced by Robert Hutchins, Arthur Bestor, and Joseph Schwab. Robert M. Hutchins views curriculum as permanent studies where rules of grammar, reading, rhetoric, logic, and mathematics for basic education are emphasized. The 3 R's, which is the reading, writing, and arithmetic, should be emphasized in basic education, while liberal education should be the emphasis in college. For him, curriculum is viewed as permanent studies, which explain why some subjects are repeated from elementary to college, such as grammar, reading, and mathematics. Arthur Bestor, as an essentialist, believed that the mission of the school should be intellectual training, hence curriculum should focus on the fundamental intellectual disciplines of grammar, literature, and writing. It is also includes mathematics, science, history, and foreign literature. And Joseph Schwab thinks that the sole source of curriculum is discipline. Thus, the subject area such as science, mathematics, social studies, English, and many more. In college, academic disciplines are labeled as humanities, sciences, languages, mathematics, among others. He coined the word discipline as a ruling doctrine for curriculum development. Philip Penix shortly asserts that curriculum should consist entirely of knowledge which comes from various disciplines. Let us now move forward to curriculum from progressive points of view. John Dewey believes that education is experiencing. Reflective thinking is a means that unifies curricular elements that are tested by application. We all know that John Dewey is a famous proponent of progressivism. He argues that reflective thinking is important. It is a tool to unify all the curricular elements such as aims, goals, and objectives, subject matter or content, learning experiences, and evaluation approaches. For him, it is important to test knowledge or thought through application or the learning by doing, which became influential in education. His famous philosophy is pragmatism. While Colin Caswell and Ken Campbell viewed curriculum as all experiences children have under the guidance of teachers. In short, all experiences children have under the guidance of the teachers. In this regard, curriculum should contain all the experiences needed by the children to learn, and a teacher should only act as a guide for facilitator. While according to Othaniel Smith, William Stanley, and Harlan Shore, likewise define curriculum as a sequence of potential experiences set up in schools for the purpose of disciplining children and youth in group ways of thinking and acting. These people share the same view that curriculum, as the way Caswell and Campbell view it, as a sequence of potential experiences set up in the school for the purpose of disciplining the children and the youth while doing group activities. And lastly, Colin Marsh and George Wills also viewed curriculum as all the experiences in the classroom which are planned and enacted by the teacher and also learned by the students. And to summarize the meaning of curriculum, curriculum is what is taught in school, a set of subjects, a content, a program of studies, a set of materials, a sequence of courses, a set of performance objectives, everything that goes within the school. It is what is taught inside and outside of school, directed by the teacher, everything planned by school, a series of experiences undergone by learners in school, or what individual learner experiences as a result of school. In short, curriculum is the total learning experiences of the learner under the guidance of the teacher.